used what I have to create what I would like to see, the change that I'd like to see in the community. My focus is young women, 18 to 29. Why? Because when I was 18 to 29, not that I'm that much older, but when I was 18 to 29, you caught that? 18 to 29 was very difficult for me because that's when you're pretty much choosing the path that you want to take. What do I do? Where do I go to school? Who do I date? Do I buy property or not? And some of you may or may not be thinking about those things, but those are very trying times because the assumption is that you are an adult because you're 18. But then of course you might miss out on some of the maturing processes necessary in order to be successful for the rest of your days. So what I do is I actually mentor. I travel with a book to go to churches, high schools, and the like. And I don't know if you all are familiar with this organization. It's called the Women of Tomorrow, and they're basically out of Dade, Broward, and West Palm Beach County. And what we actually do as mentors, we go into these schools and we sit with a group of about 20 young women. At risk is what they call them, but they still have promise over their lives. We sit with them, we mentor them, we spend time with them, we talk about issues that matter to them. And what happened after 112 is that some of the schools in Dade, Broward, and West Palm Beach County had a very high percentage of Haitian women. They were impacted, meaning they had parents that were still there, they had family that were there, they had people pass away, they couldn't get in contact with their family members and the like. What we did, and what I do, is I actually mentor and sit with them through some of the passages in the book to encourage them on this process. So on a day-to-day basis, I am going to be in the presence of Haitian-Americans. And sometimes we think because we're here that there's not much that we can do. What I have done is I've used my strength, which is speaking and writing, in order to be a conduit for that particular generation. So that while you are a teenager or while you may be in college, there is something that you can do, though you may not have the resources to make it happen as of yet, as far as going back to Haiti. So the encouragement for you all today is to basically use what you have in order to be the change that you want to see. Some of you are desperately seeking outlets. For me, it's writing. For me, it's speaking. For you, it might be something else. But just to be mindful of such, that there is something that you can do aside from just saying, okay, you know, we want change, we need change. What can you offer as far as your gifts or your talents may be? And if you don't know yet, then the process of growing or maturing will reveal that to you.